Want to sound like a pro on your podcast, YouTube, Twitch, or Zoom calls without spending hours setting up? Stick around, I'm breaking down the top 5 USB microphones you can buy right now. Ranked from good to mind-blowingly awesome, let's level up your sound right now. If you're just starting out and need a mic that works with almost everything your iPhone, Android, Mac, Windows PC, or even PS5, the ZealSound K66 is an excellent choice. Plug and play on phones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. Real-time monitoring with a headphone jack, so no more guessing how you sound. Onboard volume, mic gain, and even echo control to fine-tune your voice. 360-degree rotatable design so you can get the perfect angle every time. This mic is shockingly good for content creators on a budget. Whether you're going live on Instagram, hosting a Zoom session, or streaming your gameplay, the K66 delivers crisp, clear audio and makes it effortless to get started. At number 4, the AUDIOPRO USB Mic packs a punch with professional-level sound and some seriously handy features. High-res 192 kHz/24-bit audio quality perfect for YouTube and podcasting. Latency-free headphone output and LED-lit mute button great for live streaming. Mic gain and volume knobs built in for instant sound control. Comes with a pop filter included, which is rare at this price point. If you want pro-level audio without breaking the bank, and you care about background noise suppression, this mic is an easy win. Especially good for streamers and gamers who need clear, balanced voice pickup. HyperX knows gamers, and the SoloCast is proof. Simple, sleek, and smart. This mic nails it for Twitch streamers, YouTubers, and podcasters alike. Just plug in via USB-C and you're ready to roll. Studio quality 24-bit 96 kHz audio. Tap to mute with an LED indicator, no more awkward, oops, I was muted moments. A small footprint stand that fits under your monitor. This is the mic I'd recommend if you want crystal clear audio and zero learning curve. It's compact, stylish, and perfect for beginners or those who value a clean setup. The HyperX QuadCast is a beast. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, podcasting, or hosting webinars, this mic commands respect. Gorgeous red LED lighting. Yep, it looks as good as it sounds. Built-in shock mount to cancel out desk bumps. 4 pickup patterns. Cardioid, stereo, bidirectional, and omnidirectional. Real-time monitoring, gain control, and a tap-to-mute function. It's studio-quality sound plus dynamic visual appeal. Perfect if you're streaming with a camera and want your mic to be part of the show. Think of it as your audio centerpiece. Taking the top spot, unsurprisingly, is the legendary Blue Yeti by Logitech for creators. This mic is a household name in content creation, and for good reason. Custom 3-capsule array delivers broadcast quality sound. 4 pickup patterns let you switch between solo voice, group chats, interviews, and musical instruments. Onboard gain control, mute, and headphone volume. Compatible with Mac and PC, plus comes with Blue VOCE software for vocal effects, EQ, and HD audio filters. The Blue Yeti isn't just a mic, it's a creative tool. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, singer, or gamer, it adapts to your style. It's the most complete, reliable, and professional USB mic out there. So there you have it, the top 5 USB microphones that can instantly upgrade your sound and make you stand out from the crowd. Want plug-and-play simplicity? Go with the SoloCast. Crave pro features? QuadCast is your pick. Looking for the ultimate all-rounder? The Blue Yeti is hands down your best bet. No matter your budget or experience level, one of these mics will help you sound like a pro right from your home setup. Check out the links in the description to grab your mic today, support the channel, and get the gear that gets you heard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss more tech gadget reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know, which mic are you going to buy?